Hey guys, how's it going? So, we finally got the fitment kit, which is right here. So we are going to be installing this onto here. Forgot about the ring. Here's the ring that goes here. So you have the ring, and you have these guys here, your bolts, and your spacers. They all go in here. So the way you do these ones, which are your extended bolts, they're the longer ones, right? These are 18 millimeters, right? So in order to install this, it needs to be 19 millimeters. So you take this 18 and then you take one of these small ones, one of these little guys, which is a 1 millimeter spacer. You put that on top, right? Just like that. And you take this, you slap this on, and you'll be good to go. It'll be nice and spaced out. So we'll go ahead and do that. I think it's the little one. I'll have to check and see. So you put the little one here, like so, and there, one here, one here, one here, here, for a total of 19. 19.5, point whatever, but these aren't the best of calipers, but as you can see, it's really damn close. It's alright, so that's 19. So it is 19.
Hello?
Fill up. I guess the gym is no gym, huh?
Dude, I'd squish it for like you right now, dog. We're black. Hand me back. Back! Dude, I seriously thought this was a bag.
Oh, what?
A bag.
We're not getting monetized anytime soon.
No, we're not. We're not.
Should have done a line before he came here.
Ooh, somebody spent the money. Have you seen those videos where they're like, no mames, way?
Don't break my shit or like you're buying it.
You didn't buy it. This has power. God damn, wait. Did you read the instructions? Because we have a tendency of
course
not
I did.
reading.
This is something I'm not jacking up.
How much was that?
How much was what?
That
Yes.
ballpark? $500, no you.
For which one?
For that.
500?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good guess.
How much?
Yeah, 550. But it's normally like 900 something. But
yeah.
I got it at a.
At the.
I got it from your boys. I'm not gonna say where. But and then the dowels go in A. These ones here, and this one here, and then the other bolts go in there for your.
They give you a suitcase with that clutch?
Yeah.
I've only seen them in like boxes.
All right, you ready? Gotta hop underneath the car and get all these bolts off.
I thought you said y'all were working on this yesterday.
I did most of it today.
We were. We said we put the clutch together and we'll have Alex come and do the rest.
Disconnect the transmission from the engine. But first we're gonna let the transmission drop down a little bit so we can get underneath and disconnect the shift linkage. Disconnect the shifter, and that way we can drop the transmission all the way down. We've already disconnected the drive shaft, is done. Both drive shafts. The rear drive shaft is done. Oh yeah, this is an XI all-wheel drive, so there's two drive shafts. The main drive shaft and then the front one that powers the front wheels, which I've already taken the bolts off of that one. So as we pull back on the transmission, it'll just disconnect from that. So now we're gonna go in and get all the bolts. Right? If the what you call it moves, the transmission should come down where we can get underneath it.
There's a one right there. This, and then right here. So this is the bell housing. That's what we had to take off. Okay.
Because it won't come out with that last bolt on there until we start bringing it down. It could fall out, but it's not going to come out now. Once we start coming down, it might, so be careful. Ah! It's moving? Hell yeah. All right, ready? I'm going to bring it down just a little bit, but be careful. Let me know when you're ready.
I just want to make sure we got all the bolts.
Yeah, they're all off. There's only that one on this side and then the ones on your side. That's all there is.
Okay.
Okay.
No, there's something. Go up. Something's like stuck.
Get out from underneath it, and we're going to get the shift linkage. That's what's holding it up there.
Oh, yeah. No, but I think it has some RTD in there.
We'll pry it off. Yeah, it has it. We'll pry it out with the pry bars once we get the shift linkage off, so we know we can come all the way down.
Okay.
There it goes.
You see it? Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, there. I gotta do the main seal, so I gotta shit. Cause look at how much oil is coming out from right there.
The rear mount.
Yep. Oh yeah. Careful, bro. Your head's kind of close to it.
It's
you come
alright.
past that fucking. There it goes.
Okay, go down a little.
That thing is pretty much out, bro. All right, coming down.
Just a scotch, not a lot. Right there. Too much.
Sorry.
Go
Back up.
right there.
Shifter is pulled all the way back.
Is it?
Yeah. Fuck, man. Let's come down as far as we can and try to get this fucking shifter off.
Okay, go down one.
Because I can feel the shifter stopping it.
Right there.
Wait, hold on a little bit more. Right there, now I can see all that fucking bullshit.
Okay, go on.
Oh, come on. Out. Alright, it's out.
It's out?
Yeah, it's off of it now. The only thing on it is, it's actually still on it. Fuck, what the fuck?
Ooh.
Oh.
Whoa, what'd you do right there?
I'm moving it, but the fucking, I can't, the fucking thing is still on it.
No, whatever you want to do, it just...
To try to get it even, maybe come back more? Because the shift linkage is off, so that's off. But I can't see the fucking thing that goes, hold on, I'm coming down a little bit. Watch out. Hold it. Yeah, see? Oh, there they are. I can see them now. Hold on, let me... Save your life. There we go.
Oh, thanks.
Why is there antifreeze? Where the fuck is this thing leaking from now?
What the fuck, dude? My whole fucking side is full of lard. Oh, mames. Hold on. Fuck it right there.
Yeah, see, it just bounced out. Now all we gotta do is just pry it out. It's off.
Okay, I'm gonna go on that side.
Yep. There it goes.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, go ahead and let it down all the
Put
way.
it down.
Oh, really? The other jack stands causing it to come all the way down.
Huh?
The other jack stands to keep the jack. Hold on, let me get this fucking jack out the way.
There we go, nigga.
There we go. Out of here. We're going to jack the car up all crazy, but once it's out, we're good. I can work on it tomorrow.
You are?
Huh?
I'm like, you are?
Yeah.
Fucker, I'm over here. Free labor type shit.
That's right, man. For the channel. Yeah, it won't go anywhere. It won't go anymore.
So I can just...
All right, where are you gonna take us out to eat?
Yeah, Unc.
Where you gonna go?
I lost my practice. I lost my touch. We got the tranny out. We'll see. We got
Yeah, we got the tranny out. So the next
There you
thing
go.
we'll do, we got the trannies out. Next thing we'll do is we'll go take the clutch out, but that'll be on a separate video because we're putting on the UniClutch, and we'll be very specific on how we do it. And then we'll throw the tranny back on, and we're good to go. So until next time, we'll see you in about a week. Hopefully. Good job.
Oh!
That was a perfect one.
That was a perfect one.